Hello everyone, this is Knight, and tonight I'm opening Pokémon Destined Rivals Elite Trainer box. Wish me the best of luck. I'll be showing the content of the box. Hope you enjoy it. 9 packs. And don't forget the promo card. And these are the sleeves I'm gonna use. And in our first pack we got Team Rocket's Ariana. Nice, that's a really good card. Good start. And in the second pack, what we got? Holy nice, Rapidash. Nice, this box is fire. I really enjoy it, nice. And the third hit is, let me see. Nice, Moltres EX. A really fiery box, indeed. On the last hit, Grimmsnarl, not bad. Be sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.